Now, in studio with me this morning, I have Mr. Muvanga Chileshe, who's the branch manager for Finca Zambia. Good morning, Mr. Chileshe. Welcome to the program.
Good morning, Dakazi, and greetings to our listeners this morning.
It's good to have you here with us this morning.
Thank you so much for having me.
How is Finca doing so far?
Finca is doing okay. Of course, the cold is affecting us all in Dola this morning. But
yes.
Other than that, I think the Lord is continuously blessing us. And also, I would like to extend a message of condolences to the former president, Edgar Chagwa and his family.
Yes, indeed.
Thank you.
We start today's program by looking at Finca. For those that might not have been with us on the previous episode, maybe you can just run us through what Finca is and what services you have to offer.
Okay, thank you so much. I think just to make reference to my previous engagement, Finca is a deposit-taking microfinance, of course, which is regulated by Bank of Zambia, with over 24 years of existence and experience. So, of course, our aim is to empower people that are in business. So, of course, we basically have products that we're catering to the business people out there. So, of course, in my previous engagement, I made mention of the individual loans, and also have group loans, and also we have SME loans for those businesses with a bigger capital base.
Okay.
Yes.
So I like that you've mentioned the previous episode that we had and the types of loans that you said were available at Finca. But then how does somebody know which loan is right for them?
Okay, so of course at Finca Zambia, we first understand your needs, whether it's growing your business, improving your school, or saving as a group. So our loan officers, of course, who get on the ground, they assess your situation and recommend the product that best fits your goals and also your repayment capacity. So I think I can also just speak into the current times we find ourselves in. Of course, many businesses have been affected by the persistent load shedding.
Yes.
Yeah, businesses such as butcheries. So this is a call to those businesses that are finding challenges. I think as Finca, we're able to come in and finance your needs, be it solar, be it genset, and other alternative energy solutions. So this call this morning is important to everyone out there that is maybe facing a challenge with their business, maybe considering actually closing up the business. At Finca is here, and we're able to cater to your needs.
Okay. I private schools earlier on before we closed the breakfast show. Finca offers the school improvement loan. Maybe you can tell us more about this loan and how it can actually help private schools.
Okay, thank you so much. Yeah, so of course, I think we have what we call a school improvement loan, which is a product specifically for school on new classrooms, procure desks, make improvements to your laboratory, and even maybe procure a bus for your school. We as Finca recognize the role that education plays in building our country, and through this loan we help schools offer better facilities for our children. So this facility, in terms of the repayment, we cater to the needs of the school. It can be termly or it can be monthly, and I think the rates are quite competitive. So I think to all the private schools out there that are looking to get additional funding in terms of whatever projects that may be at hand at the school, I think we as
Okay, thank you. Let's talk about something that is quite interesting. Pamo, maybe you can explain how this digital solutions works for savings groups.
Okay.
What is it and how does it work for savings groups?
Okay, so thank you. So PAMO is a digital platform where savings groups actually manage the contributional method of saving through the cash box. I didn't have much transparency in terms of what's going on. I think there have been many stories told where the cash box was stolen and whatnot.
Yes.
So we actually have a digital platform where savings group members save money digitally, They track transactions. Everyone is able to see what is happening easily on their phones, and it's not just reliant on these smartphone phones, even smaller phones.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you can be able to
Use
manage.
a short code?
Yes, use a USSD, and of course, at the end of the day, what is important is the members also earn attractive interest rates at the end of their savings cycle. So it's actually twofold in the sense that the benefit is it's secure, and also there will be interest earned at the end of the cycle.
Let's look at the difference between a group loan and PAMO. What's the difference between the two?
Okay, so I think simply put, group savings, it's particularly for savings, then which is PAMO. Then a group loan is where members come together and form a group, of course, with the purpose of borrowing as a group. And of course, the group shares the responsibility of paying a loan. Whilst for PAMO, it's mainly just for savings, not necessarily to borrow. So, of course, there's that distinction between the two.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's get down to basics. I know somebody is listening and somebody is watching and they're saying, I wanted to they even get a loan.
Oh, okay. All right. Thank you so much. Yeah, of course, it's very simple. I think we have 9 branches dotted along the line of rail. So my plea this morning is to all our listeners, you can actually visit a branch that's near to you. Of course, here in Dola, our branch is located along President Avenue, just next to MICMA. Of course, for those that may want to contact us, you can reach Dola branch through the following number, 0762 558752. So that's 0762 558752. Of course, for those that may be listening from other towns like Luansha, even Kitwe and beyond, our branch in Kitwe is located at Kuba Pension House, and also in Chingola we have a branch just next to Indo Zambia Bank, near to ShopRite in town. So on the Copper Belt, I think we have a presence, and also in Kabwe we have in Chaisa. And then we also have in Chawama. Then, of course, on the southern end, we also have branches there. We have Mazabuka, we have Monze. Of course, we have a presence in Choma as well. And then also in Eastern, we have Chipata branch. So I think we are across at each branch that you go to, be it the product that is ideal for you, whether it's an individual loan, a group loan, or even just to register you for the PAMO, because we understand the need of the customer. It's not everyone who wants to borrow. So basically, we just require basic information like your NRC, who owns the business, and also for quick, because we understand the need that our customers have. We want to serve you quickly. So these are the basic documents we need, and of course, the tax payer identification number, the TPIN, that is also important. So if these documents can be given to us, I think we're in a position to quickly attend to you, and we understand we don't need to delay you for the projects that you're undertaking.
Let's talk about ordinary Zambians. Are Finca's services affordable for ordinary people?
Yes, I can say absolutely our products are affordable. I think our products are designed with affordability in mind. I think we offer competitive rates, and our repayment terms are flexible. Like I made mention of the school improvement loan, we understand the dynamics of the school. At times, payments may come slowly, so we are flexible in terms of termly or monthly.
Okay.
And also, it's important to note that we serve the grassroots. I think the traders, the farmers, the local business owners, we are there to attend to them. So this is
with Finca Zambia.
Okay, thank you so much. Yeah, so like I made mention, Finca is deposit taking microfinance, which is regulated by Bank of Zambia. So when you save with Finca Zambia, your money is safe, and you can access it whenever you need. Like I made mention, we have branches dotted across the line of rail. Then also have agents, so it's not necessarily that you need to come through to the branch. You can be away on business, you can still be able to transact through our mobile banking platform, through the USSD. You can still move money around. So it's actually quite convenient. And I think when the other aspect of savings, I would want to emphasize so much on it. I think it's important that we developed a savings culture, because savings builds resilience. In times of difficulty, you can have something to fall back on. And of course, it helps you to be prepared for emergencies or for future investments, for those that may have children that they are looking to save for. Maybe in the coming months we have term deposits that even for a period of 90 days you are able to principal amount that was paid.
Okay. How has Finca Zambia impacted Zambian communities so far?
Okay, thank you. So I think I can say Finca Zambia has supported thousands of Zambians to grow their businesses and also to improve their homes, and also just change the and also the aspect of financial inclusion, especially in rural and deserved areas. So I think if you look at the majority of the customers that we are attending to, I think these are the customers in the markets and other far-flung places that normally wouldn't have access to these financial products that we're offering. So I think just to extend a message to the listeners across Ndola, I think